Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to do a backlinking, but this time we're going to use a very powerful HTML or a website or an HTML backlink or a stack link. So they call it a lot of other things, but basically by the end of the day, it's a backlink. So this specific backlink right here, the one that we're going to do, it has a trust flow of 80 because of course it's from a very popular site, which is Amazon, and we're just gonna do an HTML backlink. So this is gonna be a little bit technical, but I'm gonna try my best to explain it so you guys can actually follow through easily. Okay, so of course, step one, we're gonna have to create an account. So I'll just go through the process of creating an account, but I will be logging in with the account that I used before, just because that creating an account would require you to confirm it through a credit card, which I don't have multiple credit cards, so I can't really create a new account. Okay, so let's just go through it. So here, I'm already logged in, so I can't show you the whole process. So basically, you just have to register and you have to confirm through your credit card and the number. So you can go through it very quick. It's very easy to actually register. It's just the confirmation process would require you a credit card. So anyways, after logging in, once you created your account, you're going to be redirected to this console. So this is the AWS management console, and here we're gonna go through all services. So usually this one's not going to be brought down, so we're going to go through all services, and right over here, S3 storage. So we're going to click that, and here we're going to get redirected again. Let's just give it some time. The Wi-Fi here is a little bit slow, so yes. Okay, so now we're here, and you can actually see one of the buckets that I created before. So electrical services, I linked a page, and today we're gonna try and link another page that we're gonna try to boost through AWS through the Amazon tool, the console. So we're gonna click on create bucket, and we're gonna name it something related to your business. So probably today we're gonna do, let's say, concreting dash service. So you're gonna click the region where it's found. So Asian Pacific, Singapore, and copy settings from an existing bucket. So we don't need that. So you're gonna click through next because you want to configure it. So you just have to go through it one by one. Next, set permission. So this is a very important thing when you're creating a bucket. So you don't want to block public access. You actually want the public to be able to access it so that you can actually rank. So we're gonna unclick this. So we're gonna uncheck it because we need like public access towards it, and then go proceed next. Okay, so everything's checked. Now you create bucket. Okay, there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna open the concreting website that we've been doing. So it's SA concreting services. So afterwards, okay, so here, click on the bucket that you just created, and now we're just gonna do something. So now that you're here, we're gonna start uploading an HTML file. So to do that, we have to go through the browser first, and we're gonna search for HTML. What you see is what you get. Editor. Okay, so here, it's a very easy, very simple. I just go through it one by one, step by step. So I think we can use htmlonline.com. We're gonna go through this very quick, so don't worry. So we're gonna go through editor. So it seems like it's very complicated, but don't worry, it's actually very easy to do. Okay, so now we have this one, and we're just gonna start creating basically an HTML. So the name of the business is SA Concreting Service. I'm just gonna type that one here, SA Concreting Service, and I want to center that one. I want to bold. Maybe try to increase the text size if I can. Okay, so basically that's good. So here we're gonna link this one. So I like linking it to the front page unless that your client actually tells you otherwise or has his or her specific request towards which page they should link. So here I link it usually to the front page or the home page. And okay, so just copy that one, type it here. Okay, and title, no need to add a title, and text to display as a concreting service, and bam. Okay, so that's already linked. Okay, so next is we're just gonna add the telephone number. So I'm just gonna put it towards the left side. So telephone number, we're just gonna get that. Okay, so it's 081881204164. So we're gonna copy that one, and we're gonna paste it. Okay, so here let's just check if it's already linked. Okay, so usually if you copy it from the actual website, it's already going to be linked. So here, but if, for example, all you have is the number details, but you don't have an actual link, so what you're going to do is just basically type in the URL. When you link it is telephone, then type in the number. So 0881204161. Okay, so that's good. And next is we're just gonna search for keywords related to it. So I've been working with this specific niche for a while, and I'm just gonna get like a random keyword since this is just a test. So we're just gonna go to one of the files that we have. So here, okay, so I'm just gonna go through the keyword list of other keywords that we have. Okay, so here, okay, so concrete added lighting. Okay, so we're just gonna copy these. Okay, and we're gonna paste that here. Oh, actually, you know what? Never mind, because it copied as a cell, so we don't want that. We're just gonna type it in one by one. So concrete Adelaide, concrete Golden Grove. Oh, sorry, missed an E. Adelaide, concrete contractors Adelaide, what else? Concrete contractor Golden Grove, contractor Golden Grove, and you can add as much as as many keywords as you prefer. Actually, the better. But we're just gonna do this because we're just trying to do a tutorial video on how to do it. So we're gonna add concrete driveways. We can add concrete driveways Adelaide and concrete patios. Okay, so basically it's just that. You're just gonna get in your keywords and we're gonna link it afterwards one by one. Okay, so what else? Concreters in Adelaide. Okay, so now that we have these ones, these set of keywords, what we're going to do is we're going to link them one by one. So link, and we're going to put the as a concretingservice.com, and then the same thing, we're going to link this one again, same format. So we're just going to do that over and over. Okay, here. Okay, good. Okay, so you have that one. Okay, so now everything is linked, so we're good. We're good to go. So this tool, actually, you can add as much as other things as you want. Like, for example, if you want to rank Google My Business, or you want to rank your business in Google, or like the location of your business, you can actually link the Google My Business. I will do a separate tutorial for that on how you can actually link that. But you can actually do a lot more. This is just basically the most basic setup. So what you want is your number, you just want the title of your page and everything that redirects to your home page. So what we're going to do now is we're actually just going to copy this one. Wait, actually one more thing is we're going to add a schema. So we're just going to go through this website. So it's web20ranker.com schema generator. Okay, so as you can see here, I've started filling up the information. So just select here, so local business, website, whatever you want to choose, but local business definitely, and you're going to choose a category that's related to your business. So if you can't find a category, just choose whichever is the closest. And here, the name of the business and everything else. These ones are not that necessary, so I'm just gonna get the description. I'll be right back real quick. Okay, so we are back and we filled up every single information that we need. So here we have this one, and here we have the schema that we generated. So you just have to fill in everything, every single, well, not really every single, but what you have, all the information that you have, try to fill it up as much as possible, and you're going to get this schema. So what we're going to do now is we're going to copy this one. Okay, so I don't know if that copied, so we're just going to go try it out again. So here, copy that one. Go back to your online HTML editor. So you can add it to the to the top part, and I prefer adding it to the bottom. So you just add it here, copy that one, and that should automatically add. And it's not going to reflect on the actual page right over here, but what it does is it's actually going to help with the Google analytics and everything, which is going to in turn help rank your business. Okay, so actually I had a problem with saving it as an HTML on MacBook, so anyways, we're just going to do that one real quick. So I'm just going to copy the schema again. Sorry for that one. Okay, and so here, I'm just going to copy this one, but, oh, okay, there we go. Okay, so what we're going to do next is actually to this is also a free tutorial on how to turn text edit into an HTML document. So we're going to format this one, and you want to make sure that, because originally if you open a file, it's going to be in rich text format. So you want to format that one to make it into plain text. And afterwards, you're just going to have to copy these ones. Okay, so everything you see here. Okay, there we go. And we're just going to copy and paste that one here. And we're going to file, save. So we're going to save that one as SA Concreting Service, and we're going to save it as in HTML. So I don't know if I can. Okay, so here we're just going to, can't find it, so we're just going to use a random Unicode and save that one. Okay, and over here, since I have the file, we're going to rename that one. Change it into .html. Okay, so usually you want to add the extension. If you make the change document, may open a different application. We're just going to add that one. Oh, okay, so I have this one saved, so I'm just going to move that to trash. And we're just going to rename this one and change it to a .html. Okay, here, so once we open this one, it should look like this. So perfect, everything's going well. We have that one, everything's ready. So we're gonna go back to our AWS here, and we're gonna go to Amazon S3. So we're gonna go to our concreting service bucket, the one that we created earlier. Click on upload, and we're gonna add files. So here, finally, we're almost done. So as a concreting service.html, we're just gonna add that one, and boom, we're just gonna upload. And this one takes pretty fast to actually reflect on your page, so give it like maybe a day, and you're gonna have you're gonna use like mangles to analyze everything, and you're gonna see how fast it actually reflected as a backlink. Okay, so that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you guys learned a lot, and I hope that you can use and utilize this important tool. Okay, bye guys, and I'll see you again next time.